5 daily habits of successful people and how to make them yours. Ever wondered what truly successful people do every single day? It's not luck. It's not talent. It's their habits. In this video, we'll break down 5 daily habits of highly successful people. And more importantly, how you can make them a part of your life. Habit number 1, morning clarity ritual. Successful people start their day with clarity. Whether it's through journaling, 10 minutes of meditation, or just writing down top 3 priorities, they don't leave their day to chance. Start with just 5 minutes in the morning. No phone, no distractions, just you and your thoughts. Habit number 2, deep focus time. They dedicate time to uninterrupted, focused work. No multitasking, just full concentration on high-impact tasks. The ability to concentrate intensely is a skill that must be trained. Cal Newport. Try the Pomodoro technique or set a 60-minute block with all notifications off. Habit number 3, daily learning. Lifelong learning is a non-negotiable habit. Warren Buffett reads 5 to 6 hours a day. You don't have to, but 20 minutes a day makes a big difference. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Benjamin Franklin. Habit number 4, physical movement. Success isn't just mental. Your body fuels your mind. Successful people stay active to boost energy and mood. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Jim Rohn. Can't go to the gym? Start with a 10-minute walk after lunch or stretching at home. Habit number 5, reflection and gratitude. Before bed, they reflect what worked, what didn't, and they practice gratitude to stay grounded. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. Aesop. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each night. It rewires your brain for positivity. You don't need to copy every habit at once. Start with 1, make it stick, then add the next. Success is a result of small things done consistently. Which habit are you going to start with? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's ready to level up their life.